Welcome to a Wednesday afternoon. I have some stuff, but I was having trouble last time writing on my pad of paper here, and I had to resort to, yes, an archaic old pencil. So I found out my pen collection was, a lot of them were dried up and dead. So I went out and got some new pencils. Apparently, the favorite pen on the market these days is Japanese-built pens. So we have one on them. We have another one. We have this one, Mitsubishi. And then a North American pen, I believe. Nope. By the lettering on here, you can see that right there. It looks like another Chinese-Japanese pen. So we're going to test this out. I need that because that was important. So let's try this out. This is the Pentel Pen. A little stuttery, not bad. Now, this pen here, the Hanku, is also one with a ballpoint tip on it. This paper, this grid paper, is very harsh. And no, it doesn't do very well. Now, these two pens here, this one here, has that, oops. There's also a tipped one. Better than the other one. So this one here. So this one here is not bad. Now this one here doesn't have that. That has that type of felt tip on it. And for this paper, it does really good. So I think this will be the pencil of choice. Was there I thought I had another one in here. So on the black ones, I have 0.5 and a sampler, 0.3, 0.8, 0.1. And on this side, I had. Were all these the same? This is definitely a ballpoint. I thought some of these were. No, they're the fine tip ballpoints. Okay, so these guys all here are technically ballpoints. And these are felt tip. Then, of course, eraser. Pack erasers. Leads. Because I had two lead pencils here. Which I have now promptly misplaced. What the heck did I do? Oh, here they are. These two. So these are Staedtler standard mechanical pencils. So one is really hard, and one is, it's kind of hard to tell, but one is a hard and one is a softer one, so they can go in there.
Oh, come on.
I still have this standard mechanical. I don't think it has any leads in it at the moment. I have to go find them. And this was, yeah, the ballpoint. So maybe I'll just put them up here for the moment. So that will be the writing stick of choice for this particular pad of paper. Now, I did pick up some stuff from Amazon. I've been meaning to get a glue gun. Boy, my screen looks pink and this looks orange. I wonder why I'm so pink. Let's zoom out. Shh. People, does that look pink? Very pink, and it's not. It's orange. Let me have a look at the camera for a sec here. I think Top Cam has a problem. Contrast. Hue. Ah, there we go. That's better. That looks better. More orangey. So I got this little Gorilla glue gun. High-low. And it came with a bunch of lots of sticks. Like, I think more sticks than I'll ever use. And then I got a batch of what they call Capstone Tape. This stuff right here. And let me just brighten this on this. And there we go. So this stuff here, that heat tolerant tape, and I got it in several sizes, from really big to really tiny. So I guess when I'm doing those circuit boards, I can use some of those tape along the edges to protect screens and stuff like that as I solder. I wanted some chip straighteners, so I now have them. But boy, did it piss me off getting them. I'm still fighting with Newark on the price. I picked DHL shipping for these, and they put it on UPS. Would you believe $12 and $104 worth of shipping? What a bloody ripoff. And I'm bitching to them because I picked the cheapest shipping I could get from them. Every time they just assume that you want these things in 5 seconds flat. No, I don't care if it takes a week to get to me. Oh, come on. Well, I just flipped the staple all the way over somewhere. Do we have a chip to straighten? No, I don't see one relatively close. So yeah, that pissed me off. I got a ticket into them. I want my price that I got paid for. The damn email said I would get DHL at $40, which is still expensive, and End up with UPS at $103, $104. Man. If you have to ship anything from the US, never use UPS. Adafruit forms. Just put it in the Adafruit drawer. Well, not really the Adafruit drawer, just drawer with Adafruit stuff on it. So what do we got here? Oh yes. This is what do you call it? A matrix for the top of a Raspberry Pi. And then we've got a 24 bar graph I2C backpack. So I have to put it together. So, or do I? Yep, I do. It's supposed to come with some bar graphs. So what we else got here? Adafruit Star HD 8x8 grid. And then we've got the bar graphs. That's the bar graphs for it. Bicolor red, green. Sure, why not? Our freebie, another one. And then what else we got here? Adafruit DSP310 pressure sensor. I think this is the free one. Okay, Adafruit Rgb. I already have 2 of these. I believe these ones. I think I got the right ones. They were back in stock again, so I got some more. All right, another one of those. Our free proto board, which goes in the proto board bin, which is... Oh, come on, guys. Give me some more slack on the old cable here. Oops, I just slewed that around the edge here. Aha. There we go. Into here. Okay. I have to remember when I'm cataloging all this stuff. Okay, what else we got in here? Some of these light rings. I think you're putting it around the camera to have a more even light show coming down. Another unicorn hat. The other bar for the bar thingy. This is the part where I was looking for. Oh. There we go. The little stemma headers to go with the... Oh, come on, guys. The broken glasses. This one. The one I couldn't find last time. So right there. It seems I haven't ripped a trace off. What happened, I think, is cold solder joints. So we'll be able to repair that. That's what this is for. This is a little, what do they call this? LED indicator shim for the Raspberry Pi. And this is, how many unicorn hats did I get? Okay, so those ones. Oh, I got two types. So this is RGB LEDs, and this is Neos. I think these are Neo pixels. Yep. Unicorn Mini Hat Mini. Hey, they're sealed bags. I wonder what's in them. So we have to open them up. There we go. Ooh, really nice. Wow, those are quite the chips on here. HCL Tech. So mini RGB LED matrix, 17 by 7 by 3 LEDs times 4 buttons, made in Sheffield, UK. Okay, what else is in here? Just this, or does this have more in it? No. Can't tell. There's something at the bottom of the bag here. Nope, just the bag. Funky packaging. Funky packaging. And what else we got in here? A free styrofoam. Adafruit Cyber Deck hat. Did I pick this? Oh, right. These are for, when I get around to getting one, I've been meaning to think of getting a Raspberry Pi 400. The one with the built-in keyboard and everything in it. And this is what that's for. And I'm pretty sure these two guys are also for it. Yeah. So those are the kind of the interfaces for them. And I built this part here, these, but it had no buttons for it because they were out of stock. Here's the missing buttons. Rotary encoders. And then they mentioned on the show a bag to hold your Raspberry Pi. So they weren't expensive. They were like, I don't know, 18 bucks or something like that. So I got one. And that's it for that. So, and I don't think I have an open bin here. Should have brought an open bin. But, whoops. Okay, there we go. So, open bin. So, put these in here. These in here. These in here. Put this in here. And all these. And these. No, we'll keep these out. And keep all these in here. Actually, I'll put these in here too. I'll worry about those later. Actually, worry about a lot of them later. This is uncatalogued stuff. Whoops. The whoops was about placing the bin harshly on the floor. So I think I'm going to tackle fixing this. See if I can fix it anyway. So we'll need that. And we'll need the pencil on. And that on. And I suspect I'll need the fine solder here. That. So, our goggles. So while we wait for the pencil to heat up, which isn't actually that long, nope, not that long, we have to prepare our glasses here. Did I leave a pair here? Yeah, I did. Okay. Put our little ear hooks on so the glasses don't fall off. And then we put this on. And just a sec, I have to take the microphone off. I found I can't get everything on with the microphone in place first. A little over. There we go. Okay. So what we want to do, and I think I might need a little flux for this too. So I'm going to take this side off so the wire doesn't get melted. Okay. What I think I'm going to need is my stand, actually, to hold things in place. Let's see what we can do here. Move the keyboard back, give us a little more room here. Okay. These solder joints. So we need one of these out of this little package here. These must be pretty heat tolerant parts. Okay, so what we want to do is probably get the sides soldered. You know, I should have changed the tip out for the smaller one. Oh. Oh, come on, guys. Can't reach this one. Now I gotta kind of see if I did a correct job. Yep, looks good. So now we find out. So we need the battery pack for this. And I have that in here. Like so. And then we need this cable here. So let's take this out of the thing. So we had this little cable here. There we go. And then this little cable goes into here. Like so. Can't even see what I'm doing. Okay, so like so. Now let's add the battery pack. And the battery is currently off. And it goes this way. Okay, so we turn the battery pack on. Still not going. Okay, not good. Do we miss a joint? Feels like we might have missed a joint. I felt that all move. So why is it not going on anymore? That's correct. It's on. Maybe I should plug a USB-C cable in just for the heck of it. We'll just turn the battery compartment off. And we'll plug in the right cable, not that one. USB-C. Well, this is not good. Let's try that. Still not working. What did I damage? They damaged this side too? Well, something obviously is going wrong here. Let's try from the other side. I was going to have to cut all this loose. Because something obviously is not going right here. So let's cut loose everything here. Oh, come on, William. There we go. There we go. Let's try from the other side. So obviously we did something to it. I don't know if it damaged the whole goggles or not. No, that side. So it's got to be a connection problem on this side. So did we not get the solder job right? Damn it. Fuck off with this shit. Get out of my way. It still feels like I don't have one of the joints on down there. I'm thinking pin number 2 there. Great. Great. Great, 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 great. Where is that stuff? Here we go. It is so frickin' small to do this. Oh, come on, William. See, did I bend the pins? Yeah, I did. I wrecked the whole connector. Oh, lucky I got spares of them. Still need all that solder off. It's like... Oh, I did pull a trace off. Yes, I did rip one off. That's what's... No, it's a shell one. Well, I'm not even going to bother trying to put one on. This is so damaged, it's not worth doing. I just have to use it from the other side. Because it'll be so weak. Yep. Nope. Oh, it's craptastic. Works from the other side. And I guess to prevent it coming off on this side, I'm just going to make sure that those base joints here are really, really soldered. Okay, where's that little cable? And we'll plug it in on this side. There we go. So it goes on this side of the glasses this time. So we need the tie wraps. What did I do with the extra tie wraps? Tie wraps, yoo-hoo, where are you? What did I do with you? I know I stuck them somewhere. Nope, not there. There's the other glasses. Spare set of glasses. I think I have a complete another set. Where did I do with those? Well, you have a little bag of tie wraps somewhere and you don't know where they are. Congratulations, William. You had them out and you misplaced them. I don't think it was in here. Oh, no. I do have some here. Here we go. Smaller tie wraps. Okay, so I was doing this from this side, so like so. So we want that to be over there, and we want that to be something to that effect. But we want this more there and that there. Okay. So So we want okay, and then this over this. Into this, like so. Come on. There we go. And then we just trim. Like so. And another trim. Like so. Now we plug this thing back into here. The only trouble I'm having with this is this cable is like too long. I wonder if I could just put a little bit of a loop in here and just... And what did I just drop on the floor? Solder. Well, somewhere under my feet is that little bit of solder. And I don't feel it anymore. I felt it for a moment. Oh well, I'll have to get a light down there sometime. So if I do this, and then this, like so, to take up the slack. Yeah, like that. Okay, so now let's try our battery pack. Battery pack into there. There we go. So we got the goggles working again. So this turn off the battery also? Yeah, it does. Okay. Okay, so the demo is back into demo order. Now I had a bag for this here. So that's repaired. Let's promise not to lose our zip ties again. And the battery can go in there. Wow. Finicky little crap to work on. Didn't realize the pad was broken. Probably broke it myself actually. Yes, that's braid. Different sizes. I picked up some. So, well, hopefully the next one I have to repair, I don't screw it up. Now that you know kind of what's going on. So I thought, put a latter half of this. No, let's put those together. But first, I need to make sure the inventory is correct. There's one page, and there's the other page. And I need the Excel spreadsheet. And it looks like I lost my naming on my tabs again. So this was, I think, miscellaneous stuff. Adafruit. So where did I put that perf board? Arduino. Adafruit. There. So we are at 12 perma boards. And then I need the Adafruit. Rotary encoder plus extras. No. What is this one? If you want, this is what I'm looking at. The spreadsheet. Rotary encoders, various China. Rotary encoder plus extra. So we were dealing with these guys right here. So these were 5001. So where did 5001 go? Not on this page? Sensors other 5001? There. 4. Okay. Okay. Okay, so button on top, and we have to get it in the right way, which is this way. So that makes it that. Nope. This. Nope. Well, I thought it would be this. Don't tell me I put this on the bottom. Yeah, I did one of these backwards. Great. I'll have to fix that now. There we go. You have to go back up there. And I need the regular solder, which is here. Again, I've done this. Lacking of room around here. This cord cannot be impeded. Okay. So I screwed up this one. Where's my pokey device? Pokey device, here it is. So we have to fix this one and the other one. The easiest way to do this is you take this off. take that off. Like that. You gotta get all the solder out of the holes. There we go. So you make a mess that you will have to clean up. Yes, this mat doesn't get scorched. It's a perfect soldering mat. Then you reach for your little drawer of ends, like this, and you find one. You'll needle those so that you can clip off, like so. And now we just need to get this into the right side here. So there's still a little solder issues here, but not that really that much. There we go. Almost all in. There we go. And then we just have to resolder that. The PCBs that Adafruit has made, they do very good through-hole soldering. Plating. So that it's actually a little harder to get apart, but very durable. There you go. One thing fixed. Now we put this guy on. And we want to go this way, I believe. Yeah, like so. Like so. There, like so. Okay. There we go. These are pretty big pads, so requires a bit of solder. And I hope I'm still coming through. Yeah, I am. Okay. It'd be pretty bad if I made a video and the audio was wrong. I was messing with the audio the other day, so. And one more way over here. That one's good. Itchy nose. Okay, one more to go. This one. Okay. So, 2 encoders. can take the peel off. There we go. Buttons and a wee rotary wheel in the center. Ta-da, done. So I am going to put those in the bin of stuff. Is my cord too short? No, I've wrapped the wire around the cord. There we go. Okay. Is there other... there's other assemblies that I can do in here. They're quick. So there's a bunch of pinks in here. So what do we got here? Oh! Crappy itchy nose. Man. So what we have, DSP 310, so 4494, and it is a sensor, so 4494. $44.15, $44.71, $44.14. I don't have a $44.94? Really? $71, $15. Control F, 44. 94. Yeah, I don't have this one. Okay. I don't have a 4494. So what we're going to do, we go to the shop. Yeah, just a sec here. We go to the shop. 4494. Control C. Go back to the spreadsheet. It's a 4494. It's a 1. It's a... Why is it green? Why did it become green? There we go. 4494. Oh, it's because of the search result. Okay, there we go. 1. Yes. I'm going to assemble it, and it has stemma. Okay. Oh, we do need a little bit out of our tray again. Just find a piece. There we go. For doing these little guys, you're going to put this on the bottom, like so. Come on, William, make the holes. So 1 too many. Classical Adafruit. And what you do, you stick this in here like so. And then you find that, and you find about that. And like this. So you use this side here, and so you use this side here to support the board, this side here, and a little breadboard. And then you can solder. And a little flow control, like so. And we're done. 1 sensor. And that's in the database. And what else do we have? We have these guys here. The Adafruit dot star. So this guy goes into here, and it goes under LCDs, no matrices. So we are going to go, and this is 3 4 4 4 4. 3 1 2 3. This guy right here. Control C. Control V. And it is 3 1 2 3. It is 2 of them. And yes. And I'll say yes. Now, is these got stemma on it? No, I believe it has I2C, but it doesn't have the... this is one that they need to do a mod on. See, they have the... they have these on it right here, but they don't actually have the thing. So... and the cap, what the heck do you do with the capacitor? Ground 5 volts. Give me a free capacitor. No. 220 microfarads. Why? You don't expect me to put them on here. That's the power. That's weird. I'll have to look into this one. Don't know why they give me a capacitor. Why is there a capacitor in the kit? That's interesting. They have a USB thing on here, but these don't have a USB thing on. Okay, so pinouts. Form factors. Matrix issues. This one here. Adafruit Star high density 8x8. This one right here. So I'm supposed to solder somehow a cap to the back to wear on the back. I see no pads for a capacitor on here. Why would you put that there? Okay, this is a weird one. And was there? Yeah, there was on this one. So 5201. Let's go look at 5201. That one. So that is in matrix. 5201. I now have 4. Okay. What other solder jobs are sitting here? Nothing that I can see. Oh, the bar graphs. Those guys there, along with the actual that and that. So these are new items. So this is not this, not this, this. No, we're missing something here. We got the wrong ones. It's these things we need. There we go. So we have 1719, 1719, these guys. Control C. I think I have two 1719s. Yeah, I do. And then we go back to here. This is an LEDs. Brand new. Control V. 1719. 2 of. Yes. Yes. And did this have a stemma port on it? Nope. They're not. And it needs 1720 PCB kit. Okay. So, let's see what we got. That one. That one. Could have bought a bunch of these also from AliExpress too. That one. And finally this one. There we go. So there is a beveled edge right there. This corner right here. So this corner goes like so. And the beveled corner on this is right there. So this guy right here. Like so. Let's get these out. This one beveled right there. And this one beveled right there. There we go. There we go. There we go. Number one done. Let's do number 2. Okay, do the other side. Bicolor 24 bar graph I2C backpack. There we go. So we need the trash, and we need the cutters. The legs are a little long on this. I've forgotten how tough legs like this are. Yeah, I was watching Louis Rosman's. He was having one of his couch sessions with his cat. And I hate to say it, but he was bitching and complaining about the new ruling in New York that says every private business must now do a vaccine check mandate. You must have the vaccine. You know, the whole thing about this stupid plague we're having right now is it doesn't really give a damn about anyone's political, ethical, you name it, whatever, fill in the blank reason you think. That so-called freedom you're thinking about, it doesn't care. Its job is to infect you, replicate, and infect others. That's its sole purpose. That's all it's going to do. And until we actually get, 90+% of the people, vaccinated, boosted, the whole 9 yards, so we can stop this thing from spreading and mutating anymore, I'll put up with the, you have to be vaccinated. I'll put up with everywhere I go I have to be checked. That's going to be the new norm at the moment. Might as well bite the bullet and live with it. So stop complaining. I think what New York is doing is a wise move. Here we go. Address control right there. I wonder if they tell you, did they actually tell you I2C address for this? Oops. No, they didn't. Gonna have to look at that. Usually they put it on their PCB boards and say what the I2C address is. Okay. So, we can put those in here. And this little sensor could go in there. And these bags can go over here. I think later I will do the Christmas tree. I think that'll be my next one. I will put this together. The Christmas tree. It's got lots of stuff in it, a battery pack, USB power, you name it. And we'll see how it compares to this Christmas tree. Here we go. There's your Christmas look. Blinky LEDs. Woo. Ta-da. So that's the mail call for today. I have some actually other stuff coming from AliExpress the next few days. They're just at work, and I'm not at work because I'm on holidays. So we will be doing that. And I'm hoping that one of the items in the AliExpress was the kind of the Christmas light thing. We'll see. And all these guys can go back in the store. Remember, clean up after you do anything. Otherwise, you'll be living in a mess. So that is all for the moment. Have a nice day. Catch you later.